buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving, loving all day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the long-awaited nursery tour. I have been waiting to post this and the lighting just has not been good for me. So I decided to film it today anyway because I'm 37 weeks pregnant. So basically she can come whenever she wants. So I decided that I was just going to film it today and have it uploaded for you guys. So that way I have that because I have a ton of other videos coming up that are pregnancy related before she comes. So I'm going to show you guys that today. We get into it. Her room is very neutral and boho and just very simple but still super cute. I worked really hard in it. It's super you know, inexpensive the way that I did it. I did do everything pretty cheap, which is really nice. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, just stay tuned. Okay, so this is the entryway. This is what you see when you first come by the door. I'm just gonna give you guys like a little overview. Okay, so when you first come into the door, this is what you see. I'm sorry about the not so great lighting, but this is what it looks like. So when you first come in the room, her crib is right on this wall. So her crib is actually from IKEA. I believe this blanket is from, I don't know, like Home Goods or something. These pillows are from Home Goods. That is her Snuggle Me. Her little sheet, her crib sheet is from the Mini Scout. And then I love these prints right here. They're from Amazon, I do believe. Either Amazon or Etsy. I'll link it down below. Everything that I talk about. But these are super cute and I felt like they went really well with like the crib sheets. And when you come over here, I'm obsessed with wicker. So I really wanted to have like a lot of wicker in here. And it just kind of goes with like the boho theme in this room. So this bin is from Home Goods. And I'm obsessed with it. It just holds like a bunch of stuff in there. There's like blankets and some stuffed animals and all that good stuff right in this bin, and it's super cute. I feel like it adds such like a good neutral boho look to this room. Above that there is this mug holder and it's super cute. This is from Amazon and it just has her like nylon bows on there. All the bows on here are from Little Poppy Co. And then when you come over here, this is her window, which is, it's pretty warm in here. Like I feel like the color scheme is very warm. So that's kind of why it looks kind of dimmed. But I actually really like it because it's really like calm and stuff. And I just feel like it's like a nice atmosphere. So over by the window, there are these shears. They're just like some white shears. And then I have this antique rocking chair, which I obviously don't have a link for, but I can try to find something similar. And then the pillow is from Target. And then when you come over here, I just have this little area where I just have like a bunch of her, like her books. I have an air purifier and it's just kind of in the corner, so you really can't see it when you come in. In the bins over here, I just have like random stuff. I have like medicine, some breast pump parts, and then the bottom ones are just like wipes and extra things like that. And like I said, this is our air purifier. And yeah, and when you come up here, I freaking hate this, but I have not found a way to cover this, but I will, if I do, I will like update you guys. It's an electrical panel, so I don't like that. Hey guys. Over here is just her dresser. So I am obsessed with this dresser. It is from IKEA. It is the Hemnes dresser. It is just the most beautiful dresser. Seriously, if you guys are looking for like a good changing table for your nursery, go ahead and just get this dresser because you can add a changing little like table on it, and it's just so good. When you come over here, I have this little like vase, which is from Target. This is from Target. This is her white warmer, which is from Amazon, I believe. And then right up here is one of my favorite parts of the whole room. This is her mirror, and this mirror is from Target. And then we added the little flowers are from my baby shower, but I believe we got them at Hobby Lobby. And then this little changing basket is from Amazon, and it's super, super cute, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so boho and so cute and just totally like up my alley. And when I first like decided I wanted to do this theme in her room, I was like, we need one of these. This is so cute. And then when you come over here, there is her Halo sound machine, a basket with like bows and stuff. This basket is from Hobby Lobby, and it just has like random bows in it. They're like her turbans and stuff that I'm not going to put on the wall. And then up here, I'm just gonna cover her name really quick because we're not telling anyone the name yet. But this little shelf is from Amazon, and then it just has her baby monitor, a picture with a picture frame from Home Goods, the flowers from Home Goods, and then the little name plaque that has her name on it. I will link down below. It's from an Etsy shop. And then when you come over here, this is from Amazon as well. And then she has an Ubi garbage pail right there, which is super good. Completely almost forgot to show you guys this rug. This is from Hobby Lobby. Like, it just goes so well in the room. I feel like it adds so much to the room, and I'm just like absolutely obsessed with it. And it's really, really nice. And I actually love like how it looks underneath the dresser. I feel like it looks so good, and I feel like it just goes with the room super, super nicely. So yeah, and that was the garbage pail. Closets. Her diaper bag is over here. There is a little wall right here, and I have this little macrame on it, which I think is from Amazon or Etsy. I will link it down below. Pretty much everything I talk about will be linked if it can be. And it just has a little pocket, which I feel like is good for storage. And this is super cute, and it just goes with like the boho theme. And getting into the dressers, I just have like in here her like sleep sacks with her baby monitor little screen. In this drawer, I just have like more newborn clothes. So these are just like newborn outfits. And this is what I loved about the dressers. There's so much storage because I definitely needed it. In here is her Spearmint Love drawer, so I'm obsessed with Spearmint Love, if you guys don't know. So there's a ton of Spearmint Love in here. Then over here, I just have like her diapers and stuff. And there are some cords in here because we do have to plug in a bunch of things behind the dresser. So ignore that. But typically we just have diapers and wipes in here, which makes it really easy to just change her diaper. So, and these drawers, this one again is just more clothes. These are more like her sleepers and stuff. So there's like newborn, 0 to 3, and then like 3 to 6. I have kind of spread out, so I have pretty much a lot of variety, and there's a lot of space. And the organizers, if you guys are wondering, are from IKEA as well. It is one of my favorites. It just has like pacifier clips, some binkies, a Moby wrap, some bibs, receiving blankets, her shoes, tights and socks. And I love this drawer. That bottom one just has like storage and like an extra boppy and stuff. And then this last drawer has more clothes, basically like 3 to 6 or up. I just have like sets. So these are basically like 2-piece sets that come together. There's some in the back as well. And then like I said, in that drawer, there's just storage. And then there's also like bigger clothes because we do have like 6 to 9 and all that good stuff in there as well. In here, she doesn't completely have this whole closet because I do kind of like share it. Like I put some of my stuff in here too, but she does have clothes in here which are like bigger clothes, like I said. So she just has like some bigger clothes in here, and it goes all the way to there. And then at the top of this closet, there's just a whole bunch of diapers and wipes. So that's what that looks like. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know how you guys decorated your baby's nursery, or if you guys are planning on doing a similar theme. And I'll see you guys in my next video.